Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to synchronize Chrome and Google account on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing you have to do is, please open Google Chrome on your device. After that, here you can select three dots at the top, and then click on Settings option. And then please click on this option. And then here you can select the option you want to synchronize with your Google account. Or you can synchronize everything by tapping this button. That's the tutorial on how to synchronize Chrome and Google account on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.